Hello everyone, welcome once again to Data Monarch channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into cross-tabulation in SPSS, a super useful tool for analyzing categorical variables. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just curious about data, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's get started. What is cross-tabulation? Cross-tabulation helps to compare two categorical variables to see if there's a relationship. Example of such is if you want to check if gender affects social media preference, just as we'll be looking at in this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Data Monarch channel once again. And if you have been my subscriber, thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide into Crosstabs in SPSS. Do also open up your SPSS, and if you need to import your data, I've already imported mine. You can come here under File and import your data. Or if you want to input it, you can come here under your variable view to first of all define your data. If your data, since we are analyzing categorical data, you can see here that I've coded my values, my categorical data here. So ensure to always hold and identify your categorical data here, because SPSS does not analyze strings, it's only analyze numeric values. So you will love to come here and change it. Now I've done it for every of my categorical data. I've coded them here. I can carry out this analysis. So next you want to do, go back to your data view, and under your tab menu you will see analyze, click on it. Then under the descriptive statistics you click on it. Then the drop down by the left, you come down here, you can see your cross tabs, click on cross tab. So we want our agenda to be in rows while the social media platform should be in column. So you click on it and move it to column. Once you've done that, you click here, you come here under exact. You do not need to do anything here. If you want to check if there is a significant relationship between your variables, use Chi-Square test. You can see under your statistics, you can click on it, press your continue, then come to cells. Under cells, they want to get the row percentage, column percentage, or total percentage of your data in order to know the percentage increase or decrease in gender preference for social media platforms. So you can click on rows, then press your OK. Once that is done, you can come under format. If you want your row to be in ascending or descending order, so we'll just leave it as is. Style, you don't really have to do anything here. Then once that is done, you press your OK. Let's interpret these results. So here we have our output. Under this table, as you can see here, we have the gender in rows, which indicates female and male, and we have the social media platforms in column. Then here you can see the count of this is telling us the number of females that use Instagram, and percentage within gender shows us the percentage of female that uses Instagram. So this is always better to use percentage in your analysis, because that is what you need. You don't need the count. The percentage gives you much more enlightenment when writing your report. For example, as you can see, 54.5% of females prefer Instagram, while 5.6% of male prefer Instagram. And just like you can compare and see here. So here is telling us that a larger percentage of females prefer Instagram, while a larger percentage of male prefer YouTube. So this helps in decision making process. So now let's also interpret our Chi-Square test. If you under your Pearson Chi-Square, you can see that the astopic significance, which is two-sided, is 0.08, and this means that the relationship between the gender and social media cross-tabulation are not significantly related. As you can see that 0.008 is greater than the p-value of 0.005. Before you go, here are two pro tips you should know. Always use percentages. Raw counts can be misleading. And the second pro tip I have is always label variables clearly. This is to avoid confusion in your tables. Now you can run Crosstabs in SPSS to compare categorical variables. If this helps, smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, please do want to subscribe, as it really supports the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as possible. Hit the notification button so as to stay updated on my upcoming videos on SPSS. Do want to have a great time, and thank you for watching. Bye.